Yo, John Carlos here, back at it again with another video. And in this video, we're gonna install a LED bumper light on my 2016 Honda Civic. So our friend from American Modified sent us rear bumper light reflector on this 2016 Honda Civic. So the light, it's gonna be on this rear bumper reflector light on my car. So here's the one, and we have another one from the front, but in this video we're gonna focus on the rear one. So let's now open up the box, and they sent me a picture, but I chose this one for the bumper light reflector light. So I chose this design. They sent me four design, actually two in the back, two at the front, but I chose this one in the back. This light reminds me of the rear tail light of the Tesla, but there's another cool one design, but I chose this one. I don't know why, but it's here. Now we're gonna install it. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna look there. We'll see. Hopefully I can figure out how to remove the bumper, because it's my first time doing this. Let's go. So I believe what we need to do to remove this bumper on the 2600 Civic, we need to remove all this hardware. I think there's one. Mine has mud flap, so I think there's more screw behind the mud flap, but we'll see. And then there's one here. It's like, it's a Allen wrench, so I just don't know what size is it, but you'll figure out what size. And then there's a clip like right here. One, then there's one, two over there on the side, two, then all over, same thing on the other side. So let's go. So we did remove the mud flap already, and it did show that behind the mud flap there's another screw right here, so we're gonna remove this one also. So we already removed all the clips on the bottom, so we're just gonna remove this two Allen bolt on the top. So it's gonna be number 5 on the Allen wrench. So we already removed all the bolt, so we're gonna try to use this plastic trim tool, because there's a clip on this line right here and over here to remove the bumper. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Now we need to push it so the bumper will fall. So we have the bumper off already. So I have this one because I have the aftermarket rear bumper lip. So I just removed that one so I have access on this clip right here. So now we're gonna remove this cover, this one, so we're gonna replace with the new one. And then I will show you how to do the wiring. Hopefully I can figure out the wiring too, because there's no instruction. It's a downside on this stuff, but we'll see. It's only 3 wires, so it's not gonna be too complicated. So let's now remove that and do the wiring. And by the way, to remove this, I only see 2 Phillips heads, and most of it's just clip. So let's now do that. So we're ready to remove it. So let's now compare it. You guys see? And I already tested this one earlier and all the lights is working. So let's now install it to the bumper. So I already put them, both of them already. There's one there, one here. There's some cons putting this aftermarket rear bumper lights because there's gap in there, but for me it's okay because you're not gonna notice while you're far, so it should be fine. There's one there, one there. Let's just see how it looks, because if in the future those one goes out or those one will you know, get broken or something, I'm still gonna save the OEM amount, so I still have replacement if that happens. So let's now do the wiring and let's see how it goes. And by the way, I'm gonna put the brake light and the signal light on this rear bumper lights, because there's a 3 wire here. I think this one's just power, the black, and I'm gonna connect one of the, I think I'm gonna connect the red to the brake light and the green one to the signal light. So let's see how am I gonna connect this. Let's first remove the tail lights. So I think there's only 2 bolts right here, 1, 2, and I think that's it. So first, what I'm gonna do is, since this is our brake light, the blue one, so we're just gonna connect the black one to black, the red one to white, and the green one to the green connector right here, but we're gonna connect it to the white one since this is the turn signal. So I just got it since I'm having a hard time cutting it on the connector. So we just need a metal to metal connection. Like I said, we gotta connect black to black, but we're gonna try it first before I put tape on it, just to make sure I'm not messing anything up. I'll try to connect it. Hopefully they'll work. If not, we're messed up. There we go. So like I said, so we connect the green one to this green connector. This is the blinker. So we did connected the green wire to the white, and the brake light, it's gonna be black to black, and we connect the red wire to the white wire. So we'll see. I don't know if I did it right, but we'll see. Well, let's now try it. Hopefully this one light up. Where's my key? There's the key. Hopefully that works. Brake light. Oh yes! And signal. Ooh, yes. Signal. There you go. Yes, it's working. Brake. Signal. Yeah. We did it right now. Right. We did it right. So now let's put the tape on the connector. Where to put tape? So we're just gonna put it back the tail light, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then after that we're gonna put the bumper, and then we're done. Sir. work. Yes. That's it for today's video, guys. Man, it took me at least 2 hours to do this job since it's my first time removing the bumper of the car. So you guys see, man. But I managed to figure out how to do it. So let's see. Oh, we still have the front one to do it, but not today because it's already late. And now I'll show you the finished product.